In this video, I'm going to show you how you can activate your codes on Ubisoft. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So if you have any activation key or any promotional code that you wish to activate, it's pretty simple. Go ahead and log into your Ubisoft account. Once you are here, now head over to your profile here with your name, click on it, and you should see key activation. If you click on this, now you'll have an option here to enter your CD key or activation code here. And finally, once you have entered it, you will see now the activation option will be active. Go ahead and tap on it to redeem your code. You're told by clicking activate binds this content to your Ubisoft account. So for this, you need to make sure that you are signed in to your correct account. So that's how you can activate any product on Ubisoft account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.